got some new taillights for the BRZ. We're gonna be swapping out the Valenti, I think, smoked lens, but these are the ones that don't have the gold inlay on them, which these are actually really hard to find, but these have been like my dream taillights forever, and they've just been super expensive, but I actually got them for like $450, so it's not terrible. The only reason I even want to get rid of these is in true Valenti fashion. Well, not all of, but like partial LEDs go out on like the turn signal, or I think even the brake light. I can't really see my car when I hit the brakes, but it's on both of them. I literally have no idea. This has been my second set of Valentis that have done that, and I even like hitting like the brakes, I'm just like, oh man, everyone's fucking looking at my missing LEDs. I think these still have something similar, but these are just way higher quality. They even come with like a whole new gasket on the back too, it's super thick, and they even come with a little like relay flasher, so you can get rid of like the, I think it's like the hyper blink problem, but I tested them out earlier. I didn't get that problem, so I can't remember if I already did change it or not. Can't remember. I also went ahead and bought this fourth brake light like harness. I think this thing is crazy good for, it was only like 30 bucks, well 36, and this literally just kind of connects. I don't know if you can see it. So before, if you had a fourth brake light, you'd have to route the wires down from the bottom, it's only two, and you'd have to tap into, I think, either the OEM harness or the harness from the, that come from the aftermarket taillights, but I don't know what the hell I was doing before, because I don't, it's just like a posi tap or whatever, and then like some sort of other connector. Not gonna work. I don't want to do that again. So I bought this for like 30 bucks. This should be way better. I actually already added the little spade connectors and crimped them, then added a little bit of electrical tape, because I forgot to add the heat shrink before I crimped them. If you've never taken these off, it's actually super easy. You just pop this pop clip out. Try not to break it, because they're made of some cheap plastic, but just pop that out, and this fender liner or trunk liner literally just pulls out. It's like the easiest thing in the world. Then I usually get a long 8, whatever. Then, because these studs protrude out kind of long, so if you use a short socket, it's not going to reach, and it's an 8, and you literally just undo these. I think there's 4, and then disconnect whatever you have connected in here. I think sometimes these get stuck to here, you just have to pull them out really hard. They shouldn't break, but they might not clip on or hang on as good the next time. See how it's kind of loose, but that's just kind of what happens. I think I'm actually going to start with the driver's side, just because I think this has like the most steps. I have to add the connector, and then these should just plug in. It should be fine. So I'm going to start with this side. Alright, it's like the last nut, and then these literally, it's just 4 nuts. Woo, man, it's fucking hot. This lens is cooking. Hold on, probably unplug it. Okay, here's that, and that's literally it. And that gasket was pretty bad. Now you just gotta add the new little harness. I'm gonna put it in the description. It's from Etsy, and I think it ships from Canada, but I actually got it within, I think it was like 5 days, so I actually got it pretty quick. Let me connect this. I don't think, these are both red. I don't think it matters which ones I connect to what. I'll check right now, but we'll find out, I guess. Could be this one. Then I actually did go ahead and ceramic coat these. I used, I think it's called Adam's graphene coating or something like that. Used it for, I think, my side skirts, those little fender garnishes over there. Works pretty good. I just noticed it doesn't last for a really long time. Alright, I plugged in the spade connectors, the OEM connector, and that little harness thing. Let's see. Damn. That looks fucking sick. Hold on. Oh shit, where's my keys? Okay. Woo. Hell yeah. That looks sick. Okay, let me do the right side. And then I'll do a little walk around. We'll do front to back. So for the front, we have a Gretty lip, the OEM headlights that I just put on, and then this bumper doesn't have the fog lights that go like a circle right here. It's just these DRLs headlights, front lip. This is a 2014 Beersy bumper, and then it's all paint matched. And then clear side markers that probably last another week. And then the car is on raised gram lights, 57 DRs. Then for the tire, I put 225/40/18 Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4s. The front is cambered in like a tiny bit, not crazy, but a little bit. Then these are the OLM fender garnishes that I think I put them on wrong, but they're still on there. So I'm just gonna keep them how it is. Then down to the side skirts, these are the OLM side skirts. They're actually really good. They even come with the 2 holes for the pop clips. They mount onto the pinch welds. I don't even know if I can show you what it looks like. And then it's like strips of 3M tape that go straight down here. And I also got those paint matched too. It's like a side view. The rear suspension is just coilovers, so this is on BC extreme lows. The back I think is almost maxed out. The front though, I can't go any lower. Well, I can, but there's like a fender piece sticking down of metal that stops me from going lower, and I just haven't trimmed it or hammered it or cut it or anything. And I also need to get rear lower control arms for the rear, because I don't know if you can tell, but the rear is cambered in way more, and I actually don't want it that cambered in just because of the tires. I want the lip to come out more this way, and because I only have coilovers and links in the front, the only way to get it lower and to adjust the camber is to get control arms. And the front was just that fender thing. Obviously the taillights we just put in. Tom's VIS carbon fiber trunk I got off of, I think, Instagram. Some guy posted it, and I was actually trying to get the AMS one, the one that everybody runs, where the points on these are more rounded over, but I think I got this for like 700 bucks, so not bad. I did have to get it rear clear coated, but it's been good. Some random fourth brake light from my friend I got when I first got the car, because I got this car in 2021, so it's been like 3 years, which is a pretty long time. For the exhaust, I have Tome unequal length headers, stock everything else, and then a Gretty catback. That's right here. So it's literally just headers and a catback and then a tune. So I have the OFT V2 tune. I was on the E85 one, but there's only one gas station that's even around us, so it was really hard to get gas. For the interior, it's nothing crazy. Still stock steering wheel. The only thing I've done is this black suede like trim piece, Apple CarPlay head unit with the like gap closers on the side, the billet works short shifter and shift knob. This honestly was, I think, one of the best mods I've done to the car. It literally is like bolt action. Really good. Besides that, I've done door speakers. I think the front dash speakers, and then obviously you guys saw the sub earlier. It sounds pretty good. It's a 10-inch kicker, but I think I want to try to get a 12 just because sometimes I want more bass, or I want the music just like a little louder. But other than that, that's honestly pretty much it. This car's nothing crazy. It's pretty simple for what it is. Well, I've had it for 3 years, so in 3 years I thought I would have done more, but I definitely do need rear spats very bad. It makes it look so funny from the back, especially when the kit runs all the way down to the front. The rear just looks so empty. Even maybe a rear diffuser, but I don't know what diffuser I'd even get. The one I do want to get is only for the 8.6 rear because it's a little different. And for the rear spats, I'm wanting to get the OLM ones to match the side, but they haven't been in stock for months, and the Basin R ones I think are just a little cheaper quality, and they don't come painted. The OLM ones do. I'd want to get the Modelista ones, but they don't fit on the BRZ bumper, which really sucks. That's pretty much it. Just gonna do some B-roll and then I'll close the video out, but whenever I get those spats I'll for sure make another video, or anything else I do. But have a good day. See you guys later.